Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an online baking course with King Arthur flour, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy an online baking course with King Arthur flour, start by defining your course objectives clearly. Determine your target audience and their specific needs in baking. Conduct research on existing baking courses to identify gaps or unique offerings. Choose the baking topics you wish to cover, such as bread making, pastries, or advanced techniques. Develop a curriculum outline that breaks down each topic into manageable lessons. Create engaging video content for each lesson, ensuring high-quality visuals and clear audio. Incorporate demonstrations that show each step of the baking process. Share personal tips and tricks that enhance the learning experience. Use King Arthur flour products prominently in your demonstrations to highlight their quality. Record your video lessons in a well-lit, quiet environment to minimize distractions. Edit each video to ensure a polished, professional look, adding captions or graphics where necessary. Create supplementary materials such as downloadable recipes and equipment lists. Set up a course platform that is user-friendly and accessible, such as Teachable or Thinkific. Upload your course content, including video lessons and supplementary materials. Design an appealing course landing page that highlights the benefits of enrolling in your course. Establish a pricing strategy that reflects the value of your course while remaining competitive. Promote your course on social media and through email marketing, emphasizing the partnership with King Arthur flour. Consider offering a free introductory lesson to entice potential students. Engage with your audience through comments and discussion forums to build a community around your course. Monitor feedback regularly to improve your content and address any issues. Finally, ensure ongoing support and resources are available for your students even after the course ends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.